In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Base44 for free. So if you're looking to get started without any initial investment, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First things first, you need to sign up for an account on Base44. To get started, head over to the website at app.base44.com/register. This is where you'll create your account. Once you've filled in your details and signed up, you'll have access to the Base44 dashboard. Now, with your account ready, you're all set to explore the platform. Next, let's open the builder. From your dashboard, you'll see options like Start Building or New Project. Clicking any of these will take you straight to the builder interface. There's also a quick start guide available, which follows the same steps and will help you get familiar with the process. It's a user-friendly environment that's designed to get you up and running in no time. Once you're in the builder, it's time to create an app. You've got the option to choose from a variety of templates, start from scratch, or even write a prompt. The platform is quite flexible, allowing you to edit text, images, pages, and components right in the visual editor. And the great news is that even the free plan gives you access to the core features you need to build and customize your app effectively without feeling limited. Now that you've set up your app, let's talk about using your free credits. With the free plan, you receive a monthly allocation of message and integration credits. This means you can typically send up to 25 messages and make use of up to 500 integration credits. These credits are super useful for testing out workflows and exploring user interactions within your app. Always keep an eye on your dashboard to check the current quotas for your account, as they might update the specifics. Finally, once your app is all polished and ready to go, you can publish it on a Base44 subdomain. This feature allows you to share your app publicly, hosting it with Base44 at no extra cost. Bear in mind that if you want a custom domain, you'll need to consider upgrading to a paid plan, but for straightforward usage, the subdomain is a fantastic start. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the basic steps of using Base44 for free. It's a great platform to get your ideas off the ground without any cost. Remember, take your time to explore all the features and optimize them to suit your specific needs. Happy building!